If your important categories or tags aren't showing up where they should, this is exactly what this video is about. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to change that using Nexter Extension Pro so you can decide what appears first on your website and make sure users see what actually matters. So let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add Plugin and search for Nexter Extension. Once you see it, click Install Now and then Activate, and just like that, the free version is ready. Now moving ahead, the feature we're using today comes inside the Pro version, so we'll need to grab that too. Head over to the Nexter pricing page, the link's already added below in the description. Pick the plan that fits your website, and once you've completed the purchase, you'll get a zip file and a license key right away. So from here, we're back in the WordPress dashboard. I'll just add the plugin, upload the zip file, install it and activate it. And that's it. The Pro version is live. Now that everything's ready, let's activate the license key. Just open Activate Pro, paste the key here, click Activate, and there you go. Green success message, license activated, set. Now you'll see a bunch of other options inside Nexter extensions too, like performance, security, admin interface, code snippets, and advanced utilities. But right now, let's focus on the one we need, that is none other than the taxonomy term order. Let me tell you that this is the feature that controls how your categories or tags appear both inside your dashboard and on your live site. So if you want your featured or new arrivals category to stay right on top, this is where you can do it. Turn the toggle on and click the small gear icon beside it. Now, as you can see, this opens a pop-up where you'll find all your available taxonomies, like posts to categories, posts to tags. You can choose exactly what you want to manage here. If you only want to reorder categories, keep that on. If you also want to reorder tags, just enable both. Once done, click Save and refresh your page once. Now, you'll notice a new menu appear in your sidebar called Terms Order. Click on that. At the top, there's a drop-down called Select Taxonomy, which lists all the taxonomies you enabled earlier. So, if you turned on both categories and tags, you'll see both here. Let's pick tags for now, and as you can see, all your tags are listed right here. Now, the fun part, you can simply drag and drop to rearrange them. Want your popular tag first? Just move it up, and that's it. No save button needed, it happens instantly. You can do the same thing with categories too. For example, if you want your company story or finance category at the top, just drag it up and it's done. Once you've set your order, it'll automatically update both inside your dashboard and on your live website. So now, when someone visits your site, they'll see your most important categories or tags first exactly the way you want. And the best part, you did all of this visually without any coding or complicated setup. Just a few clicks inside Nexter and your site looks cleaner, smarter, and perfectly organized. And that's it. If you found this video useful, let me know by dropping a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.